Do you want to save your Reels as draft on Facebook? You can save a draft of any of your Facebook Reel videos with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to save draft Reels on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To save draft Reels on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture. Now, from the new screen, tap on your name or profile picture. Once you are on your Facebook profile page, tap the video or Reels option below your profile picture in bio. Now, you will see all the Reel videos you have created before. At the beginning of the Reels section, find and tap on Create Reel. A new screen appears where you will see photos and videos from your device gallery. Select one or multiple files to start creating a new Reel video. Now, you are on the editing screen. From here, you can edit or add music, effects, stickers, text, and more to your Reel. After editing your Reel, tap the Next button. In the new screen, add additional details like video description, location, tagging people, and more. Once you've added everything, tap the Download button at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up screen will appear with two options. Select Save as Draft from here. Now, your saved Reels will remain in drafts for 60 days. After 60 days, they will be automatically removed.